Now let's talk a bit more about that early adopters kind of concept. So this is probably something you've seen before, the law of diffusion of innovation. It's really quite famous. So as you introduce a product into the market, there's different people come in at different times of this curve. So first there's the innovators and the early adopters, and you get the early majority, late majority, laggards. So laggards you don't pay attention to, late majority will only come after early majority, and early majority only are going to buy your product if they know somebody else who has it as well, who has bought it as well, and if they can see the value of it, if somebody recommends it to them. So what you want at this stage is really to identify those early adopters and innovators, those people who show up before the doors even open, those enthusiastic people who go and tell all of their friends and who are really, really animated and really enthusiastic about using your product and really happy with the benefits that it brings to them. So the earlier you can identify those, the better it will be, because you know where to aim your marketing effort. And once these people will come in, then you can cross over to the early majority, and there's still like a tipping point there and a chasm to cross, as they say. But you need to get to those early adopters first. You need to make sure that your biggest fans are on board when you're still in these early phases of testing out your products. Now this is about finding the right customer segment. This is about really getting to know the very deep characteristics of your customer segment and being able to identify them so that in an 80 or 70% of the people that you find will fall into your customer segment will actually be very enthusiastic about this product and will really love it. So this is about true enthusiasm, and it's very important. I will get to the kind of metrics to use a bit later on. It's very important to get to this true enthusiasm